it is Brandy Chanell and welcome to my channel. Here on this channel we do hair reviews, hair tutorials, beauty reviews, and pretty much all things beauty. So if you want to join my channel, go ahead and hopscotch on over to that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back. And today's topic, we are talking about my hair. I didn't watch my beta videos back in April. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. I literally took all of May off because I was just traveling and doing like a lot of random stuff on the weekends where I couldn't upload. Anyway, I'm back now with a new haircut. Y'all, I tried so many products probably in like 2016, 2017 that I don't think my hair fully got adjusted to any of them. I didn't get my hair trimmed as often as I should. So my hair was looking real raggedy. So I will insert some clips throughout my talking on this video to show you guys, if you're new to my channel, what my hair looked like. I've been natural for, I want to say, probably like 8 or 9 years. So my hair was pretty long. I think the hairstylist cut off at least a good 3 inches, which to me that adds up to about 3 years worth of me not getting my hair trimmed. So that's what I get. I am getting adjusted to my hair being shorter than before. I can still obviously put it in a ponytail. As you can see, it's in a bun today. But I don't know, it just looks so much different to me. It's not that much different, but it just looks different to me, and I have to get adjusted to, I don't know, it's just different for me, you know what I'm saying? Like whenever you get your hair cut, you either love it or hate it, and I don't love it, but I don't hate it. So I gotta find some styles that kind of go with where I am now in my life, if that makes sense. So of course I'm gonna bring you guys along my journey. So basically that means I am going back to the basics. I am going to grow my hair back out the healthy way. I'm going to try to cut down on different products until I've used the products that I have now. I'm going to be more consistent with this, using the same products every week. I was kind of falling off on my hair routine, and now my new wash day is every single Wednesday, and if it's not on a Wednesday, it'll be on a Sunday. So what I want to do is just, like I said, go back to the basics. I got really bored with my hair. I was like, ugh, it just looks blah. So this is obviously something that is completely different. I mean, it's not, let me show you guys. It's not, but it's not much shorter than it was before. Like I said before, it was probably maybe like that much longer. I was doing too much. So now I'm just gonna keep it simple, go back. It's hot right now. It's really hot, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear wigs, but I'll try to do more protective styles. And typically during the week for work, I wear it up and then I let it out on the weekends. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll bring you guys on this new journey with me. So with all that being said, I'm sure I rambled a lot. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on this video. I just wanted to show you guys my new hairstyle, my new cut, and yeah, welcome to the journey and follow me along. All right, I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, as we talked about before, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.